Gotta pick up a load of scrap today. Got an oil furnace, condensing unit, hot water heater, some miscellaneous light iron, another hot water heater. The bad news is somebody already took the copper coil. But we'll load this stuff up. And maybe I got a couple other things to pick up a little later. I got another boiler and another oil tank coming. And I think 2 more hot water heaters. I'll see if I can film that too when I pick it up. Truck's nice and empty right now. Got a bad sun glare out there right now, I bet. Okay, let's load it up. So we got the truck loaded. And I already started to unload it. But I forgot to make a little part of the video for you guys to see everything that we got. Nice coil here that we picked up too. Furnace. I'm going to take this apart, take the burner motor out. Down at the bottom there's a blower motor. All the rest is just going to go light iron. Another hot water heater, piece of brass at the bottom, a little bit of copper wire, another little piece right in there, a couple fittings at the top. You've seen one of my videos, I made a video just to tell you how to take these things apart and what you're going to get out of an electric hot water heater. Not much to them. Just this little bit of light iron behind me. I got to take apart this condensing unit, nice copper coil in there, and the pump motor, and then another hot water heater, but somebody already took the coil out of it. So let's take some of this stuff apart and see where we get. Just got back from another pickup. I went for one thing and I filled the truck again. I believe they were throwing this bike out. It was just on the side of the road. Nothing wrong with it, just needs a little air in the tire. Got a nice evaporator. Another hot water heater with a circulator on the top. About 40 feet of copper line from an oil tank. Another bike. Same thing, just needs some air in the tires. And we'll sell it. It's an easy 25 bucks. Bed frame, a vacuum, circulator pump down in there. I got a big, heavy 3-section boiler. I don't know if you could see it down in there. That thing was heavy putting on the truck. It's also got a copper coil on the inside. But I'm going to unload this stuff and show you what it looks like off the truck. Start taking it apart. Dog enjoying the weather out here today. It's a nice day. A little windy, but it's a nice day. Here's the boiler that we said we had. It's a pairless 3-section. It is heavy. So I'll strip that down, take the light iron off of it. And it's got a coil in it. We'll take the copper coil out. And then the rest will go as number 1 steel. Most of the boiler's stripped down now. I got a couple more screws to take out on the side here. We'll get this light iron off. But what I really wanted to show you was this nice copper coil. Just want to cut this plate off right here. That's number 2 copper. Probably about 15-16 pounds once I cut that plate off. And then, like I said, the boiler's ready to go. You could take off this little piece of aluminum if you really want to. It only weighs an ounce or 2, but throw it in your sheet aluminum bin. Okay, we're all loaded up. Not a big load, but got a couple things right here. Number one, heavy metal, and then the rest is all light iron. But I just want to get the bulk of the stuff out of here so that we could process all the good stuff, the copper and the aluminum and the brass fittings. And we want to make the scrapyard before they close today. So we're gonna go dump this. Okay, there's the number one steel thrown off. We'll come back for the light iron. Okay, here's all the light iron that was on the truck. Not much, but it's all gone. There's a massive pile here too.